Hello guys, I am Israt Jahan. Welcome to Israt Zone. Today I will show you how you can decorate some words, which is thank you, and I will decorate this word now. And for that you need a frame and attach the black side in that. So let's get started. First you have to cut this word like that. Now you need some color papers and cut them out in small pieces. You can use different kinds of papers. Now you need a small color paper and fold it up very smoothly. After that it will look like that one. Now you need at least 50 or 100 more. Now we are going to decorate these two words. For that you need to attach this extra sides of these words with this glue. Now I am going to decorate these two words with these color papers. You can use different kinds of papers which you want. Set up the papers very carefully. It needs some time for set. You can wait at least 20 or 30 seconds for set. Now I am going to doing the same thing again.
They say some things that are just meant to lose. What's that one thing keeping me away from you? Now I can't breathe. How am I to live without you with me? Yeah. Now I don't know what the future holds, but why don't we try? Why don't we try? Let's just see how it all unfolds. You can't deny, but I can't deny. There's no way around it, just until we found it. There's only one thing I know it's true. There's no me without you. future holds. But why don't we try? Why don't we try? And let's just see how it all unfolds. You can't deny, but I can't deny. There's no way around it. Searched until I found it. There's only one thing I know is true. There's only one that's it.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit on the like button. Please subscribe my channel and press this bell icon